All right, so once we are in WeVideo and we have our WeVideo project 1 and 2 finished, then we can start our project of combining them. So I will create new video, and now I have my editor right here. Let's get this out of the way. And so my media is where you upload stuff. So if you haven't already, you can click import and find those videos you already made. So this is my intro with me in front of the camera. This is the screencast. Actually, that's the old screencast. This is the new screencast. So I'm going to delete this one because it was too long anyway. And so now, and then I have my Panzoid, which I'm going to talk about for an intro anyway. In fact, let's just talk about that now. So on the assignment for project number 3, it basically is saying that you are combining 1 and 2 together, but you're going to, in the video editor, add a few things to make it a composed final video. So some of those things you're going to add are a logo intro, transitions, music, some video audio effects if you want, and a conclusion outro. So in order to do that in WeVideo, we need to build our video first. So my intro, I'm going to put down here. I'm going to save some room in the front for my Panzoid. I'm going to put my screencast next, right after my intro right here. And so we're just building our video at this point. Now to do a transition between videos, we can click this transition, and I like to do a cross dissolve. And you can click on it to see what it's going to look like. And actually, ooh, that cross zoom is kind of cool too. So to use a transition, you can put transitions between video clips, and that'll look like this when you play it. Stay tuned for the details of my intro. My multimedia class. So that's what a transition looks like. I can add audio. So there'll be a music track to my video. You can choose one of theirs, or you can use the websites we've used in the past, which is Purple Planet or Fen Sound. If you use one of theirs, just drag it down to the audio section. You're going to match it with your video. And you want to make sure that your audio track is much softer than your video track because you're actually talking in that. So let's test that out. So that's still too loud, so I'm going to take it down even further. I'm a freshman student in Florida High School. That's better. So I can actually maybe just take this up. I'm involved with playing tennis on getting closer. So you're going to make these adjustments so that you can hear you talk, but also have the music playing in the background. Now you can see that this particular song that I picked isn't going to be big enough for my whole video. So what you can do is click it and do Control V, then C, then V, or actually extend it as well. So, or you can add a different track. So if you click over here and maybe you want to mix it up, you can add a different track. And so if I were to do that, I would maybe make it half and half so it's not too abrupt. So I'm going to do that. No, let's do that. And then extend this. And that way we have a music track for the entire